Today I'm going to show you the top makeup brands to shop when in London. So I'm going to start off by, I guess I'll start off with the more normal stuff. So this is a drugstore brand. If you're in London, like I was, for example, you can go to a Boots, which is like their pharmacy, and you can find all these products there, and they're very at a reasonable price, I think. So the first product I'm going to show you that I got, I've heard that this brand is good overall, but I got these specific products because I was interested and curious to try them. So I will film another video showing me putting them on, but for now I'm just showing you the products, the brands, and I'll swatch them for you. So this is the Sleek Makeup Cream Contour Kit in the shade Medium. I got medium even though I probably should have gotten light, but you know, what's done is done. It comes with, the back of the box looks like this. I hope that's focused. And it comes with this little paper, which is like a contouring guide. A general contouring guide because, as you know, or as you might not know, all faces are different and they're contoured differently. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice and clean. And it says sleek in a shiny black, while the rest of the packaging is matte. It comes with this little plastic on top, which you take off. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to swatch these for you on my arm in order from lightest to darkest. This is what the lightest shade looks like, and it might not show up that much on my arm because I'm swatching these on the inside of my arm, and it's kind of the same color as this, honestly. I don't know if you could see that there, but I did swatch it a little bit. It's like diagonal because I can't do straight lines, but there it is. Then I'm gonna do the second lightest shade. The next shade swatches like this. It's definitely more of a warm toned color. I think I'm just gonna swatch them. Well, no, just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. That's the lazy way. So then the next color is this one right here, which is that orangey one that I was talking about. It's like a burnt terracotta kind of color. And then the next shade is this one. These colors are extremely creamy, and they seem like they're great quality. And I've heard great things about them, so I'll be really disappointed if they don't perform the way I expect them to. The next shade is that one right there. That last one. And last but not least, and the darkest shade in this palette, is that one. So these are the colors from lightest to darkest. I just wanted to make sure that you could see them in full bloom in their true colors. And yeah, off to the next product. So the next product I got is also from Sleek, and it is a highlighting palette. This is the Cleopatra's Kiss, and it looks like this. This is the packaging. It's gold, also very elegant and nice. And these are the colors that this highlighting palette comes with. They also recently just came out with another shade of this highlighting palette, which is a copper tone. So if you feel like those are more of your shades that you wear all the time, then I would definitely recommend trying that one and letting me know what it's like, if you like it or not. So I'm gonna swatch the first golden shade right there on my palm. I hope you can see that. If not, I'll do the same thing that I did before where I like took it and switched the camera around. Now I'm trying the goldy pink shade. Next, I'm going to try the more copper one, the brownish one, which is also like a gold. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm sorry that I have that light purple swatch right there in between, but and then the last shade in this palette is this one. So there are two that are super creamy. Which are these two. And then these two are more powdery, but same amount of shine, same amount of highlight. The colors are beautiful. I love them. That is the last shade that I swatched. And then the last brand that I would recommend shopping, or that I shopped at least, was the Gypsy Shrine. If you've seen any of my other videos, they're the brand that creates the chunky glitter and the jewels that I like to wear. I don't know, I like following them because I feel like they come up with very original ideas. And I don't know, it's just inspiring, and I love glitter, so it matches. So the first thing I got, I guess I'll show you the glitters. I got three different glitters. And the first one I got is this one called Blue Mermaid from the Gypsy Shrine. I'll open it for you. And trust me, you will see me use these very, very soon. But in case you didn't catch it, it's Blue Mermaid from the Gypsy Shrine. The next glitter I got is Chunky Gold, also from the Gypsy Shrine. This is what it looks like. I hope you can see it. And the last glitter, I have to warn you, this company is not very cheap. Like, of course I'm going to write down the name of the prices for all of these products at the end of this video. Like, I'll edit it in, but they're a little pricey. But you know, when in London. This is the other glitter called Silver Eclipse. And this one, unlike the other ones that have like all different shapes, this one's made up of stars and moons, which I love. Dropping stars. Well, maybe there you can see a star. And the last thing I got was this set of jewels. This is the Easy Tiger times Gypsy Shrine collection. And if you know me, I love anything with stars and moons, so I just felt like I had to get it. And I'm gonna make a birthday video in which I will show you how I incorporate all of these products into my look. So stay tuned for that. And for now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like our channel, and make sure to follow us on Instagram. See you next time. This is a bad idea. It's because I didn't move in a straight line. But this is it. I hope you can see them.